let me just briefly touch about watching TV and when you're trading or doing things on the stock market. The thing about TV and the people that get on TV, I'm not saying all of them, but most of them usually have an agenda to some degree. For example, if you have somebody that goes on TV and says, oh yeah, this stock is bad, it's going to tank, they may actually be waiting for you to sell it and get rid of it quickly, so that way they can purchase it at lower prices because they need to buy a ton of shares. They may need a lot of people to think or change their persuasion to actually have the stock go decline because they're looking to move the market. And the same thing happens in reverse. When stocks, somebody wants the stock to go up so they can sell it, they will pump that stock. They may own the stock even, but they're looking to sell it. They may say, oh, this stock is amazing, I've had it for months, we've been putting more and more money in it, which all of that may be true, but the reason they're pumping it so huge and they're on TV is because they're looking for you to buy it, or they're looking for you to buy more of it so they can sell it and off-sell their shares to you. That's the game, and that's the nature of the stock market. And, that's the sad truth behind it. People don't reveal always what they're looking to do into the future and project it. And news only reports, typically something interesting or something different. And that's why I say stay away from the TV channels, or if you do watch it, make sure that you have a clear mind and are neutral on it. Maybe either skim the headlines or watch their website and see what's coming up, like earnings reports or things like that. And then read the company websites to actually diagnose what happened with the companies versus somebody's opinion on TV of what they think happened with the news channel or with the news price to earnings or revenue expectations, things like that. So actually dig into the company and do your own homework versus getting somebody's opinion or analysis of it, because they may be only feeding you bits and pieces of it. So that's the sad truth behind the stock market. The way it works is people will manipulate you. They will get on TV in order to make the stock go down or make the stock go up so they can offload their shares to you, or they can purchase more shares after you sell them because they know something is happening within the company that you may not know. That's just the nature. That's the game that it's played. Get used to it. Don't get fed up. That's just how things work in the business, and it's human nature. So I just want you to be aware of it, and when you're trading, trade accordingly to your rules, trade according to your research, according to your homework, not what other people say. So remember that the news is there to report news, and they're there to offload information to you. It's your duty to digest it and to properly use it. But that's the game they play, and I'm not saying all of them do that, but quite a lot of them, they will play it like that, and they will try and manipulate you to do something that's in their best interest, not in your best interest, or not a neutral position. So learn that, study that, check your own sheets, check your own stocks, check their own reports, and diagnose it, and then trade accordingly. Thanks for watching.